Researchers at Google are now demonstrating Dreamix, a diffusion-based AI video editor that can edit, modify existing videos using text descriptions or generate new videos from an image. Now, what usually happens is that the source images provide some sort of sketch that captures, for example, the shape of an animal or its movement while still leaving enough room for some changes. Now, Dreamix is the first of its kind when it comes to diffusion-based models for video editing. Essentially, the model functions in three basic ways. The first one is, with only a video and a text prompt, the model is capable of editing videos while preserving its color, posture, object size, and even the camera pose of that particular image, and at the end ensuring that the resulting video is temporarily consistent in terms of the existing color, the movement, the size of the image, and everything. It just makes sure it is consistent. And the second thing is, for a small collection of images, if we have small collection of images with the same object given as input, the model can generate new videos with the subject in motion. So the model can use a collection of multiple images to generate videos in motion. And the last one is, with only a single image and a text prompt, the model will be able to create videos while still maintaining the shape, location, and background of the image that is being provided with. So Dreamix, to a layman, to someone who is new into the AI world, we can say that it's an AI video editor that can modify videos by prompts or generate new videos directly from a single image. For example, from this toy figure, we can use this image to generate a complete video of this figure lifting weight. So I went through this paper, Dreamix, video diffusion models are general video editors, so by these authors, and I actually enjoyed it because take a look at some of the video prompts. Okay, it gives this video prompt and it generated this video based on this prompt. From the video, it generated a bear dancing and jumping to upbeat music and moving his whole body. You can see it's moving his whole body and it's dancing to a music. This is just one example. There are so many examples. This is an input of an image and it's generated this video. And what do they prompt? Underwater shot of a sea turtle with a shark approaching from behind. You can see the shark approaching from behind to this turtle, and the turtle is actually moving. And this is given from just a mere image, and that's the prompt given to it. So take a look at this as well. This is from the multiple images of this very toy. It quickly generates this video and you can see it is moving and it's weightlifting. Take a look at this video. From this video of the beach, it generated a beach with palm trees and swans in the water. Okay, so from this video, it was just prompted that a beach with palm trees and swans in the water, and it quickly included some swans into the water with the palm trees available. You can see them over here. So you can see multiple prompts. For example, from this input video, let's say a man playing a saxophone with musical notes flying out. So in this case now, it included the musical notes flying out, and you can see it directly from the generated video. So it's really next level. You can see the input video over here. Prompts now in this case is a puppy leaping, and you can see it is actually leaping from the provided video just by mere some addition of some basic prompt. Okay, and you can see this video also the same puppy, and then you say a puppy walking with a party hat, and it quickly dropped the party hat and it's walking. You can see this is just next level. This is exceptionally next level, and you can see the input video in this case, and it says robot claw writing on a paper, and it just quickly transformed the human hand into a robot claw and it's writing on the paper. You can see even though it's not writing the same thing, but it depicts it's writing something. Okay, you can see this is fantastic. So you can see this one, it's the input video, and it say a knife is cutting a cake, okay, on a red plate. And you can see instead of this papaya, it replaced the papaya with a cake, and it's cutting the cake on the same red plate that they have given in the first place, just from this very simple prompt. So this is exceptionally different, and something very magnificent is coming into the AI world. You can see from this simple input, it's a transform from this to an orangutan with an orange hair waving hello next to a pond. So you say from this we can transform it, and you can see it's waving hello and it's next to a pond, and it changes the hair to the orange hair. Okay, this is very nice. So a lot of these prompts are available. Zooming out from an old pickup truck You can see them consistently. So this is the one they're talking about, moving through a field on a wooden path with fire on all sides. So with fire on all sides, and you can see we are moving through the wood, and this is the input video. You can see even this one is exceptionally amazing. From this input video, they said the prompt was that a deer rolling on a skateboard, and it quickly give us this video. You can see the deer and you can see the skateboard, it is running on it, and it's completely perfect. And from this video of the onions, frying of the onions, it quickly says stirring noodles in a pot. From onions to noodles, you can see it quickly change it. And you can see from this simple one to a hand drawing a big circle on a paper. And we can see that at this moment, based on the paper that I've read, Dreamix is not publicly available, but the technology is being developed by the end users from the paper. A lot is going on currently, because from the advent of the Google Bard, the Google Cloud, I think a lot is going on with the AI world, because the invention of Dreamix is up to change a lot of perspective in the AI industry. I look forward to the official announcement of this AI chatbot. If you're finding value to this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more and more videos like this. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.